Same dark, same room. The tea is too hot. He holds it anyway. The morning. Just the morning. There it is again. That song. Second carriage. Left side. Third from the front. Always. He watches the city through himself. He has never noticed this before. Four stops. 3, 2, 1. She is there. She turns a page. That is all. He watches her turn a page. Gone. Yet, he sits inside the warmth of it. He does not ask it to be anything more. Not for the work. This one is not for the work.
Sabzi taja, hari bhari.
The kite cannot fly. She does not care. He smiles at her for this. Yellow. The same yellow. He holds it. He has practice. He has been writing in this notebook for 3 months.
She draws a circle in the fog with one finger. She does not ask herself why.
Something is different today. He does not know what. No marigold. She is gone. He sits inside it. There is no other option. He watches the track until there is nothing left to watch. For the first time, her stop. He stands at the glass. He was always on the outside of it. There he is. A man outside a window, looking in. He turns. He walks. He does not look back. The same eyes, the same train, the same window. Home. No, the whole of it. One line. That is all it needs. But the story has not said everything it means to say.
The same time, she has noticed she is never late on these mornings.
She draws a circle. She watches through it. She does not ask herself why. Not yet.
All right. She is waiting. She knows she is waiting. There.
She is looking back.
There he is.
She closes the book. The book was never the point. She did not know she was saying goodbye. Not until now.
She sits in the park near his station. She tells herself it is a coincidence.
The same color. The same soft cover. He has watched her from a distance for months. She is standing in front of him. She is comfortable with silence. So is he. They find this out immediately. One marigold for the one on her table all those mornings.
She waits on the platform now. She knows exactly which carriage.
She is seeing his city for the first time through his window. Her old table, the marigold gone. He is beside her. It
is enough.
The rain, the landing, the white flowers, the umbrella dripping. There, they finally become one in love. 2 glasses, 1 marigold. 6:12. A new day.